Hello guys, it's Marco here. Today we're starting a new campaign where I'm now starting as Sultan. Hello guys, it's Marco here. Today we're starting a new campaign. We're starting as Shah Yaqub of Safarid Shahdom. So in this campaign my goal will be to form the Persian Empire. So not just the Persian kingdom, the whole empire as it was in history. So now we're starting and we are already in war against this guy. Let's see, we can raise 4,000 more troops. Now we have 5,000. He has 3,000 troops. We should easily beat him. So let's unite our troops over here and let's see. Let's pick hunting. Designated regent. This guy. We have all of our commanders. Crown focus. Where are we going to put it? Let's put it here, in our capital. We have no ambition. So, MarkoHere. Let's marry our character. Let's see. Is there any quick? No. Strong? No. Attractive? No. Okay. Then I guess I will marry her. Yes. We now can recruit court physician. Let's do it. Dangerous factions already. So that's a problem now on start. Because I don't know how to stop them. She's a genius. So we will just decline that. And around marriage with me, of course. She's my secondary wife. Okay. This is now a big problem. Almost 1,000 troops. Also 1,000. There's like 4,000, 4,500 troops, which they have. I hope they will not raise against me, because it will not be good, especially now on start. Come on, it takes forever for my troops to gather up. They are so slow. 2,500 troops coming into our land on 19th of June. Okay, we have all our commanders on their places. Let's attack. Everyone is joining now. These guys increased council power. I don't know actually how to stop them. I could send gifts, but it's only 12 of their opinion, so it actually doesn't do much. First battle is won. Let's beat them again. And again. My wife is pregnant. Great. Now the Tahirid have a revolt. Where's their capital? It's up there. Just to occupy at least one province, so we can end this war. 62.5% power inside this faction. It's not good at all. Let's try to send gift this guy. 28, come on, leave the faction. I guess he won't leave the faction. And first wife. Where? She claims to have caught one of your lesser wives in act of poisoning her. Okay. Although she's my secondary wife, she's very important. Maybe we could get another child with genius trait. That would be awesome. How to code this guy? Are we Persian? Yes, we are. Let's call him the Persian. Great name for a future ruler, if he don't die. We are now sieging their capital. We successfully took their, I don't know how to call it, fort, castle. %. What else? What else we can siege? I guess these provinces, because these provinces are from their ruler, and his levies are all risen, so there's less troops in those buildings, in those fortifications, and it's much easier to siege them. Again, my wife is pregnant. My secondary wife still doesn't have a positive opinion of me, so I will send her a gift. 15 gold. 93%. Can we send anyone else gifts? This guy? No. Minus. Maybe this guy by 40. He should leave the faction. Muzaffar. Let's call this guy the Persian 2. Great names, really great names. Who will siege faster? We are, and that's it, 100%. Why? Why is this and this revolt still here? Of course, they're now independent fuckers. This greed does not belong to you. Okay, that faction, which was really strong, actually got dismantled. We have too much damazine. We're having all these, which we don't need. So we're going to give those to someone. Let's see, our court. This guy. Let's give him land title. Like these. Mosque. City. No. We will just those two. For him, and now those to other guy. Mosque. Let's get another mosque. And we are now 6 out of 6. That's perfect. Let's go down. 2 commanders signed. And increase council power again. Can we send gift to this guy? Only 10%. Honorary title. Is there anything by 10? No. Just 5. Okay. 5 farms here. Now I don't know what these were revolts. Now they're independent. Maybe we could. Now we have our troops rising. We have now only conquests. Casus Belli's. This, I mean, we could attack him. Holy War. You're actually Shia Muslim. So we could Holy War or Conquest. I guess Conquest is much better. We then actually can go to Holy War against Persian, because they are Zoroastrian. We are Muslim. We are Sunni Muslim. These guys up are also Zoroastrian. Karen. 5,000 troops. We could go actually to invasion of Kiva, but before that we will wait for our troops to get filled up again, so we have the maximum number of our troops. We now can get like 1,400 more from our levy and around 100 more from vessels, and then we will probably go and invade those guys up here. After that we will go conquest these guys, unless the Abbasid or someone else conquers them. Then I don't know, we'll try something else. That's it for the first episode of this campaign. The Reconquista campaign, new episode is coming out tomorrow. So if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe so you can see more.